No, not really. I was gonna ask you.
Okay, that's what I want to show you guys. So look, yesterday we were trading all these things. We're struggling. So look, we had a buy. Fine. We came here. Can you see moving average? You see this thing stacked. It's stacked. This is the 8 on the 30. This is the 23 on the 30. You see, it's stacked here. It's stacked. This one was not even very clear. You see, but the stacking was just there, but it moved a little bit. Look after it's stacked. Look at the sell. You see, it's gone. Here, it started going up. We've not stacked. It's actually the opposite. So look, we are in the stack again. Look, the sell.
Hmm.
You see, dropped.
Yeah.
Is it making sense?
Yeah, it does. So is that 89 and 8?
The 8. Now, here, although we got the buy here, we didn't get the opportunity to get another buy somewhere there because we could have got maybe a buy here. It didn't give us the opportunity. So fine, we possibly wouldn't trade this. But look, you see where it started? It
Yeah.
started all the way from, let's say there. Boom, buy. Let's go further. It started literally, it's crossed literally. It didn't start literally. Well, here we cannot say that. Although, well, it starts definitely. So boom, it's at the top literally. You see it's at the top.
Hmm.
Boom, you could go. If this is not stacking, so you wouldn't trade this one. This one, literally, yeah, stack is at the top, but then maybe you might not trade this. But this is clearer. You could trade this. If you didn't trade this, look at this. Stack. Boom. Stack. Boom. Is it stack? Excuse me. Stack. This one was too long, but maybe you just came it. You might lose this trade. But then we said that you're looking for more or less like 3 opportunities. So if you get your 2 or 3 opportunities, you're out. Look, came all the way here again in the morning. It's stacked already. We're in the stack. You see, even look at this. Boom, boom, you're in. Buy, boom, you're in. So when it is stacked, you get more opportunities. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Like here, you see, although it is the candles were printing below, so you would ignore it. When it starts printing above and it gives you the buy, you're gone. Let's go way back. That's why I saw yesterday, and I realized that what was happening was the moving average 8 is telling you, the immediate moves. This one tells you direction on the 30 minutes, but this one tells you the candlestick movement on the 30 minutes. Look, this one was actually in the night. Here, maybe it's stuck a bit, you might know, but look at this one, clearly stuck, printing under it. You're gone. Sales printing under it. You're gone. Yeah, printing under you're gone. But then don't forget levels. You see, you should also remember levels that even if you go under it and there's a level, you are aiming for that level. Until it breaks the level, you just take your
Yeah.
profit. You know what I mean? Now,
Yeah.
look at here. Is that Pelicious? Where's Pelicious? Look, this one itself, you can ignore it because it's printing from below. You see, so when it is stacked, you are likely able to make a good trade. This one, you can decide to ignore it. It came from the below. So normally when it's printing in between, well, you could still take it maybe to the top. This one, it gives you some level, and then this will catch you out. But once you have like your 2, 3 chances, you're good. That's what I wanted to show you guys because I could see that there are more opportunities when it's stacked. So like here, we might have missed this because we got here. Maybe if we are testing levels to break, maybe the level broke here, we test. Maybe, I don't know. We might not trade this. This one was a little bit clearer. You could have traded this. If not, maybe you come and trade something here. Look, we actually got a buy on over the stack. So here, and it was sideways for ages. Maybe you might come out, and then you get the second one, and then you might trade that one. What's gold
Okay, so
saying?
Mickey, which pair is this?
This one is gold.
Okay, so let's use another pair to see.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So now gold stacking, if it comes and it gives me buy, I'm just going. Let's look at another pair. US 30. Let's cross this. I want to clear stacking up before I go in. Look at this one. Can you guys see it? So we were kind of stuck here. It wasn't clear. You can decide not to have played it. This one, we're not stuck. From here, we start stacking. You can decide not to, because we're stuck anyway. You could possibly take this. We crossed back up. You see, this wouldn't qualify as stuck. Here, it was clearly stuck. Buy, boom, boom to the top. Buy, boom to the top. Right, so you see?
So we will not be trading the opposite side.
We'll not be trading well.
The opposite side, when it's coming down, we'll just ignore it.
No. Just ignore it, because unless, of course, I'm looking for some kind of strategy to trade this, but it has to be clear levels. You know what I mean? But what I'm just saying is, with what we are aiming for, we could trade this and be okay. You know, and I'll show you guys in a minute.
Yeah.
Look at this one. We stuck, you see, but with this thing. So imagine you didn't trade this, which is fine. You could come and trade that one, because we start on top. Look, you could trade this one. You could trade this at the top. Look, we start. Literally, if this one wasn't clearer, we came, boom, here. You could trade this. It makes sense.
Yeah.
Sorry, so the monty is not by chart, but by 30 minutes.
Yes. Where is your
Okay.
monty sitting? Where is your
Sorry,
monty
it was
sitting?
by chart.
No. It should say in 30. So give me a minute. Share screen. Let me walk you through this real quick, because that's why I was trying to get hold of you guys urgently on
Okay,
Saturday
that's it.
morning. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah,
So
I've done it now. I put I put it in the 30 minutes.
yeah, go into monty. Let's see.
Okay.
So select the 8, and then you have you've selected 89. It should be 23. So go to 89 and change it to 23. So you have the colors. If you choose. Okay, that's fine. No, go to 89, change 23, then you have the colors. So untick 23, and then type 23 and 89. Yeah, so you still have the color. Okay. All right, now go to 5 minutes. Oh, you're on the 5 minutes now. Yeah, of course. So now go to the left. Can you see the stacking I was talking about?
Yes.
You see how clear it looks? So we are
Yeah.
not just taking all trades. We're taking the right trades.
Yeah, the ones in direction.
The runs in direction, the ones which are stacked. Just those. If we take 2 of them, we can make 50 pips.
Okay.
If we take 3, 4 of them, we can make 100 pips. Start measure the opportunity on this thing. Let's see something.
When it's stacked on a cell and then we go a cell.
Yeah.
This is 36 pips.
Yeah. Go to the next one.
And then when it
Wait.
cross.
Phyllis,
Yes.
where did you go into the trade?
Sorry?
When would you go into the trade?
Oh, after the cell has been set. So
Where is the cell? Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
So I entered here. Yeah.
We'll take 6. Now move to this thing.
It cross after this
Is
buy.
it? Yeah.
I think I was in this trade yesterday.
So after this buy, go.
So this one can kick you out.
Yeah, I will.
Now look at the wick.
Not actually, because it's
Yeah,
not up to
so
40 pips.
yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's say it kicked you out anyway.
Okay, yeah, okay. So
So
let's say we
what
are
was
out.
the next opportunity?
This one, because we're still out.
Mm-hmm.
So this one, so I'll enter here.
Yeah.
Very
The
good.
tops. Do you know what? I attempted this trade and then I got scared, so I came out.
You came out, which is
Yeah.
fine. You see,
So I
because
made
of
it.
that, you see, and let me explain something to you. Do you see there was a buy before? buy before that one.
Oh yeah,
Why would you
do
not
see.
go into that trade?
Because it's so close to like
It's close
here.
to the top. It's
Yeah, I saw
simple.
this happening and I
And so
didn't.
when it came down
Yeah.
and it gave you the buy, you are literally aiming to the tops. You see what
Yes.
I'm saying?
To
Yeah,
here. Yeah.
that is exactly what we're saying. So it
Yeah.
is clearer. Now move to the left so we can look at opportunities. That was
Okay.
there. Yeah, which trade would you have done around here?
Okay.
Start from the
So
day, the morning.
yeah, here.
Mhm.
So I saw that it's come here. I would be looking for wait across to come down.
Mhm. But
I
we had
think
levels here.
yeah. No, I
You had a
wouldn't have
low.
done
So
this
you
one.
should mark your low. Even if you're going into this trade, and this trade I lost it. I remember I did that, but I think I took it on this thing, German 30. Just go.
Okay.
Now, so
But
after the stacking, what do you see?
the buy had already occurred. I don't think I enter straight away.
Yeah.
So I would wait, sell, then got this buy,
Yeah.
but there's a level here.
Yeah. So fine, but from there to that level,
Yeah, from here to there, which it
you
would have been
possibly, yeah,
here.
close. So maybe you might
So let me
think of taking it or not. Yeah.
I would have entered here and then taken me here, which is
But this level,
I
when
don't
did
think
you
that
mark
was
this
worth
level?
it.
This is not your current level. This was this line you have there. Where did you mark it from?
This one. Oh wait, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. So you cannot say maybe might be
Oh,
an
sorry,
old
sorry,
line or
sorry. Let me take
something.
it
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
Let me put another level.
So just ignore the level. But I'm just showing you the potential that we had there. So it
Okay.
will be that first buy, and then maybe you might aim for that top.
Yeah,
See?
after
And then
this
it
one.
takes you, it breaks and takes you up. You know what I mean? So you aim for maybe a
You
next level
ignore
or
this
whatever.
one.
And then you ignore this one. This one is right
I
in the
will
middle. Even
definitely
if you're
take this
taking
one.
this one, it's taking you to the top, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you possibly not take the other one unless it breaks at high levels. And then
Yeah.
you
And
use that
then
our level
take
break
this
and then trade it.
one. Okay, that makes so much sense. Let me see.
No, go to that.
The courses.
Yeah.
I
Would you
take this
trade this?
one.
You take this one.
Oh,
And then
that's
the one
good.
after.
Good one. 83 pips. Wow.
See?
And then I ignore this. I ignore the
You
buy.
ignored all the buys. And then you
I
might
don't
get a
think I would have
sell.
taken this because of this level here, because it's not worth it. But let's see.
No,
Nah, no, because it came to the same
it
level, so
came
it
to the
wasn't worth
same
it.
levels, yeah.
Buy. Then so I would have taken this one up to here.
See, let me explain something to you. If we have a buy to a certain level,
Yeah.
a sell to a certain level, generally we want a clear retracement before if it gives us another opportunity, we go. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So go, just go on. Next. Which trade would you possibly take again?
So then the courses,
Mhm,
I would ignore this.
mhm. And
Um,
probably
this one is not worth it because there's
it's not
level
where the
here
cost. Yeah, but then you could actually chance it. Maybe you've chanced it. You've lost the trade. Fine.
to where here
Now, mhm.
10.
So now which other trade would you take?
The ones on the up. So
Yeah, but it's not cross fully. Or maybe you could take, but it's not cross fully. So there should
oh,
be a clear trade
because
that
if
you
I
can
take
take.
it, I'll take it to here. But
Clear, yeah.
okay, I understand. Okay.
This buy, where's the buy? Would you take this one?
Because it came down, I would have taken it here.
Yeah, exactly. So where
Yeah.
would you start taking it from?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Where did the buy started? Where would you go into the trade? Normally, do
After
you wait for a retracement? Because I could see retracement. I would wait for retracements clearly on the next candle. You
oh,
see,
as in when it comes down a little bit.
yeah, it comes down. It needs to come because you see, normally the retracement has a place generally that it comes. When you look at this thing, you see there's something like a morning star.
Yeah.
The red candle, the red candle, the doji red candle, the green candle, and then the next green. Go to your left. Go to your left. Yeah. So no, that's the red candle. No, 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 no. That's the red candle. Next candle to the right. The doji. No, the small red candle. You see it.
Yeah, this one.
And then the next one is green. And then the next one is green. Look at that. Look at that. So it was when we had this red pin, and then it told us to buy on the green candle. You see it? Do you see it?
Yeah.
So the green candle that told us to buy, you see the next candle after the green candle that told us to buy. Do you see where it retraced to? It retraced to the top.
All the way to the full
That's
candle.
no, look, it retraced to the top of those candles, of the red candles that form the morning star.
Oh, okay.
You see,
Yeah.
to the left, you see, yeah. So normally I try and see to catch it as quick as low as I can. And this one takes us up. And it came back down to that same area to give us another opportunity before it moves up.
Mhm. Okay.
So normally what would happen is when you see it like that, you can either wait or if it's going, you just jump into it.
But then
So
if I
what
want
is the
level to,
what do you say?
so now I'll be looking because there's been too many like stuff happening. So I will wait for a clear break.
So which one was the break now?
This one, this
This one.
candle,
Yeah.
like it
And
broke the
then you
wick
go
as
into
well.
yeah. But now you're looking, look, let it break the bodies. Put your line on top of, you see the cell on the left. That, yeah. Put your line on top of those candles. Do you see it?
Here.
Yeah. Let it go to the right. Click it to the right. Drag it all the way to the right. Just put a line on it. You can control J or something. Yeah, okay, that's fine. All the way. Pull it all the way. Pull it all the way.
To the
Let
right
it
or to
move.
the left?
To the right. To the right. Do you see that candle broke that level, the buy candle?
This one. Yeah.
The buy candle, do you see it closed above that level? The body
Yeah.
closed above. So then you had a retracement, then you're in. You see what I mean? The
Yeah.
thing is, we've got a clear stacking anyway. Because the other ones, the other buys, you see, the other buy below, we didn't have a clear stacking because the candles were not printing literally above the MAs. You see?
Yeah.
So when it prints above the MAs, it is more, has more room to go. You know what I mean? All right. So keep moving to the right.
Yeah. So then
So
that one.
like this one is a night, but then we get another buy in the evening. We get a buy and then it came down and then boom up. And then yeah, so that's it really, because we are looking at two opportunities basically, and then that's it. The next morning it was clear. So that's it. So now today, let me share and then let's see what we're open for today. So Phyllis, you should watch one of the pairs. Which pairs would you be watching?
I think I'll watch US 30, please.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So look here, you see we had a buy here. This buy was clearly below this moving average. So I said, no, I'm not going. It's not clear. You see, we've had a buy in the evening, clearly above. You see, you went. This buy, you would go in and it would skirmish, and then probably you come out in a bit of a loss, or you catch it off. Look at this buy, right? Because of this tops, maybe you might want maybe to go in or to break the levels and go, but it would have taken you because it was clearly above the moving averages. This drop, you wouldn't do anything with it. You know what I mean? Because you could, there could be a way to trade it if you have clear levels. That's what I'm trying to figure it out
So
now.
you can go to the 4 hours and check if it gave us a double top or something.
Well, you can, 4 hours is even far. You can actually look, let me just put some there. Let me put some there. Even 1 hour, you can find in 1 hour. Let me see. See, you cannot, here, you see all the way here, you see there. That is the level that you can probably look at a level and then maybe if it gives you something cool. Because it was rejecting. But normally these things you see better in the 15 minutes. You see 15 minutes, double top, boom, boom, double top, and then you might trade. But that's a different strategy. You see, so let's hone in on the 5-minute strategy first. And then we'll see what we're doing with the rest. Because for example, imagine we saw these things clearly, or we knew how to trade this, and we got maybe this probably we might not, or I'm not sure if we would, but maybe we might want to trade this to the top and then it comes down. Because even US 30 wasn't very, oh, this, oh, yeah, that's 5 minutes. You see US 30, so imagine we don't trade it, but we traded this one, right? We'll go into the trade and it will come back on us before it goes. You know what I mean? And possibly take you up. If you had the guts to be in this trade, you would have possibly come back. There's 45 pips. That's a lot of pips. You know, so maybe you might have gone in with small lots. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. This is the buy. This is the buy. So you go in here. So once you go in here, you might put your stop loss here and it might come down and cut you. If you put your stop loss here, that's a 40 pips. It came down and it went and they gave you 100 and something pips. That's marvelous. Even if you missed that one, you would have done this one. And that is 35 pips, you see. So imagine you catch 35 pips just on US 30. And then you come to gold. In the morning, let's say you caught this one. Maybe this wasn't clear, so you didn't catch this. They came in and gave you this one, which is clear. It's about this one. We're actually in this trade, right? Yesterday.
Yeah.
And you catch about, let's say, 20 pips. Because one thing we want to do is now we want to say if we are 1 to 2, possibly we are out. So then we are making money rather than playing with the money. So like here, so like this is 1 to 2 ratio. And this 1 to 2, let's see, probably I thought we had some psychological levels somewhere. Yeah, we had a clear psychological level 1. So then we would have taken it here. It's about 37 pips. Those 2 trades would have just gotten us wherever we want to get to. You know what I mean? German 30 is trying to move up now. It's giving us a buy. But we need to just sit tight. Yeah, it's giving us this buy. This one is a bottom here. So the reason why I put this thing on it is that I'll show you guys what I found. So I think I saw something on the 30 minutes. Yeah, this thing is called order block. You see this thing is called order block. Yeah, you see the red candle, that then after that we had lots of greens pushing up. We call it an order block. So when it comes to an order block, sometimes it would reverse. Sometimes it would come to 60 something% from the shoot up, like the Fibonacci before it shoots up. But here, normally when I see things like that, I'll go to the 30 minutes. You see, still the 30 minutes is still bearish. So if it gives me even buy, I'll ignore it. If we are trading based on this new confluence that we're talking about, it is not. We are not in confluence. Do you understand? The only thing that we want now is imagine it comes up to some levels and then it gives us a drop, like we should go and sell again. Then we'll be interested. That doesn't make sense, guys. You know, maybe we can get some few pips or 19 pips or whatever. Even if it gives us a sell somewhere here, we just could sell it out. You know. Okay. So I think that is that really. Which one haven't we looked? Probably US 30 for yesterday. If we're looking for US 30 because of this levels, maybe we could have just waited, traded something. It might not work. These things possibly from the bottom, it's too closer to the tops anyway. You know, so even on US 30 yesterday, we didn't have a clear direction. So we'll pause. I'll see US 30, German 30 yesterday. We didn't have a clear direction. So the only place we could have taken it was maybe using when we break our highs here. And then it wasn't clear. The ones that gave us clear opportunity was gold and then US 30. Gold, this one and that one. You see gold, you see what gold is doing right now. Now we've stacked up. You see, we broke through and then we stuck up. If gold
Yeah, just
gives
waiting for
us
the buy.
another, exactly, it gives us another buy, we're stuck up, we're going in. It's very clear. That's the only thing we're going to do. Let's see the 30 minutes. You see what the 30 minutes has done? It's given us this huge candle. So this could be a retracement candle. Gives us a move. We can move back to the tops. You know what I mean? Move back to the tops or even move further to this tops. So that's as clear as it gets. You know what I mean? Okay. So I think that is that really. I'm just going to put the recordings there. So those who want to watch it, they want to watch it. They can watch it. Is Felicia's at work today, isn't he?
Yeah, I think he's
He's at
on his
work.
way. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll put it there if it gives the time. You can watch it. Let me just stop recording.